Hello everyone. I am Shubhadeep Mukherjee, Assistant Professor of Civil Engineering Department, Mollabhum Institute of Technology. Today I am going to discuss about a topic that is 5 important checks in construction site. The checks which I am going to discuss are proper mix, provide proper cover, curing, concreting and quality of material. Now let's start with first check is proper mix. We all know strength of concrete is directly depends on proportion of aggregate and cement. That's why we have to maintain proper mixing proportion. Second check is provide proper cover. Cover is a integral part of any kind of RCC structure because cover can resist the corrosion of reinforcement of structure. So we should not underestimate to provide proper cover of different kind of members of structure like slab 20 mm, beam 25 mm, column 40 mm and footing 50 mm. Third is curing. We are aware the property of cement called heat of hydration. That's why it's pretty much understandable that raw concrete needs water for his chemical reaction. If we do not cure the structure, the internal crack may be generated in the members. That's why do not avoid it to avoid cracks. Fourth check is concreting. Proper concreting is very important part of construction field. To maintain good quality of concrete, use vibrator properly and to avoid segregation, maintain the placing height of 1.5 meter as per code. And the last check is quality of material. Material quality of aggregates, cement and brick should not be compromised. It always should be tested and checked by quality engineer. Never accept the impurity like clay, salt, sulfur and organic material within the casting material. Finally, we use well graded and proper size aggregate.